Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Biko were oche, which means please take a seat. Biko were oche, please take a seat. If a friend offers you a seat, what will be your response to that friend? You simply say, Imeela enyim, Imeela enyim, which means thanks, my friend. In case this is the first time you are watching this series, remember we use colors to differentiate individual words that make up the phrase and their meanings. So take note of those colors and match them with the words that they represent so that you can understand the meaning of each word that make up the sentence. Please go out there and practice this. I told you earlier that you will not be able to speak Igbo language until you practice it. So go out there and tell somebody, Biko were oche, or tell a visitor that comes to your house, Biko were oche, and expect him to say, Imeela enyim. As you do so, please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss our next upload. Also like and comment on these videos so that we can know how to serve you better. God bless you.